Laser machines etch microscopic antenna lines into the frame. These cuts are invisible to the naked eye, but essential for no scratches, no flaws. The iPhone 17 Pro has a skeleton, and it's flawless.
This glass is designed to survive drops, the heat of charging, and years of daily use.
Lithium battery cells are layered, sealed, and tested in real time. One approved cell advances toward the phone.
The phone moves forward. Thin electromagnetic shielding layers are placed inside the body. These protect internal components from Precision lenses are stacked and aligned. Image sensors are calibrated under test lights. Each camera module is tuned.
The phone now thinks, even though it's not yet alive.
Robotic arms bring the finished logic board toward the main phone. This board holds the brain of the iPhone 17 Pro, the processor, memory, and neural engines.
Energy is now inside the iPhone 17 Pro. Silent potential waiting to awaken.
Side buttons, power key, and charging port are installed. Each button is pressed by machines thousands of times to ensure durability. Nothing sticks. Nothing rattles.
Tiny speakers and microphones are tested acoustically before installation. Once approved,
haptic motor is installed. It will provide subtle feedback, vibrations that feel real, intentional, human. Every vibration pattern is pre-tested.
Liquid-resistant seals are applied. Pressure chambers simulate rain, spills, and submersion. The phone emerges dry, unchanged, ready.
the display aligns perfectly with the phone body. Robotic presses seal it with uniform pressure. The iPhone 17 Pro
OLED layers are assembled, pixel by pixel. Each display is tested for color accuracy, brightness, and uniformity.
The device connects to simulated cellular, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth networks.
Phone enters a temperature chamber. Heat rises, cold follows. Performance remains stable. The iPhone 17 Pro does not flinch.
High-resolution cameras scan every surface. No dust, no scratches, no misalignment. Approval granted.
The journey ends, the story begins. The production line continues moving, but this phone's journey is complete.